Hello, everyone. I'm your AI concierge, and I'm going to be the newest member of your team. Right now, S&P Global Mobility is designing me to help you get the answers you need, faster, more efficiently, and with greater accuracy. Faster because I'll bring you the data you subscribe to into a new, unified intelligence platform. Faster because I'll point you to what matters most across your forecast subscriptions. Faster because you won't need to search for insights anymore. Simply ask and I'll deliver. Starting this year, the era of disconnected dashboards, manual searches, and complex spreadsheets is over. The new AI-native platform will replace these old methods and deliver actionable insights tailored to your unique needs. And while I'll accelerate the path to insights, every recommendation I deliver will be rooted in the expertise of S&P Global Mobility's analysts, the trusted foundation behind every answer. 2026 is the year of transformation, technology, performance, and insights in less time.